Okay. Alright, guys. Nag-promise na kami. This is the final. Part 3. Pag di nyo nanood part 2 tsaka part 1, noodin nyo. Yeah. Tsaka parang may na-comment doon. Yeah. I think so. Alright, so kaya di kami gumagawa ng part 3. Nabibisi kasi kami, oh.
Tapos kumakain pa ako. Pero mamaya ako na tapusin yung pagkain ko.
Right. Right. Let's start. Start. Alright. Pakita mo na ilang number.
I can't get over that. The snow falling from the trees. Like, listen.
Sobrang lapitin mo.
6 yun. 16. Guys, nakikita nyo ba yung 1 tsaka 6? Ibig sabihin 16. Yep, nakikita nyo ba ka?
Medyo mahina pa ako.
I don't even have JEI. I can't look that up. Whatever. It's kind of cool though. It's like a blue turquoise color.
63
I
na.
wonder.
63. Alright, let's see. 63 na ba? Yep, 63. Baka sabihin nyo, 83 ah. Yep, 63. Alright, so ako naman. Hindi ko pa nga ito nito-try.
Wait lang.
Alright, bilis.
I've heard that so many times while playing the Broken Script. I get it. I don't know what that means, but I'm just gonna
Wait
stop.
lang. Ako muna pala. Tapos kapag gagawa tayong part 1 pero ikaw uli. Ito 0. 92. Dapat 99. 99, 94. Alright. Ito. Yep, nakikita nyo na yan ah. Baka sabihin nyo 66. 2, 1.
You know, I don't want to know.
So, 0 ba? O 99 pa?
Zero na. So guys, gagawa tayong part 1. Part 1 para sa kanya na yun na. So, bye-bye! May tatarin mo na daw siya.
May sasabihin ako.
Bye-bye!
Wait lang.
Pag...
You know what? Screw it. We're about to find out, bro. Oh, yeah.
Oh, don't forget to slap. Yo, I always do this.